So hello guys, welcome back to SFDC Ninja, and today I am here with 72nd video of Apex Sticker Scenario series. So without any further delay, let's begin. In this scenario, we are going to work only on one object, which is account. This is all about data model. Now let's understand the requirement. So in today's requirement, we need to prevent updation of account, and the catch is that we need to throw error if user try to update account record again within same hour. Let me explain it again in a simple way. Let's say there is an account record and user updates it. Now if someone try to update the account within 1 hour of last change, then we need to throw error. I hope you got this scenario. It's time to code, so let's go to VS Code and create our handler class. We will name it account trigger handler. Let's create our method. Now in this method, we will pass two parameters. First is list. In this list, we will pass trigger.new from our trigger. So this list is equal to trigger.new. And second, we will pass map. Similarly, in this map, we will pass trigger.oldMap from our trigger. So this map is equal to trigger.oldMap. Now guys, see, we need to show error message if user will try to update the account record within 1 hour, right? Now for this thing, we need to check that when the account was last modified, and for that we'll be needing old version of account record, which we can easily fetch using trigger.oldMap. That's why we have passed this map in this method. Now let's iterate over this list, which contains the records which are getting updated. But before that, let's apply a null check on it. Iterate over it. Now in next step, we will create a variable for account in which we will store the old version of account using this map. So let's create a variable like this. Copy this map name, paste it here, .get. Now in this get method, we will pass ID of the record which is being updated. So let's copy this one, paste it here, .id. So in this variable, old version of account record will get stored. And now we will apply if condition. Now inside this if condition, what we will do, we will take last modified time of the account like this. Last modified date, and we will add 1 hour to it. And then we will compare this time with the current time using system.now. Basically, if the current time is less than the last modified time after adding 1 hour, then it means that less than 1 hour has passed since the last modification. So if this condition will get true, then we will show error message. So let's show error message. You can only update this account after 1 hour from the last modification. Save it and deploy it to org. It is successfully deployed. So we have our handler class ready. Let's create our trigger. Our trigger will be on account object, and since we need to prevent updation of account, so for that we will use before update. Let's apply a check like this. This is to ensure that our handler class method will be executed only for before update operation. And here we will call our handler class method like this. In first parameter we will pass trigger.new, and in second parameter we will pass trigger.oldMap. Save it and deploy to org. We have our code ready. It's time to see it in action. So let's go to our org. Here in our org we have this account. Let's try to update it. Click on save. Now let's again try to update it. If a trigger is working fine, then we will get an error message. So let's click on save. As you can see that we are getting expected error message, which means our trigger is working fine. So that's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting trigger scenarios. Thank you and keep watching. So, are you looking to make your Salesforce experience even better? Meet Titan. With Titan, you can easily build portals, design forms, and generate documents all without a single line of code. So boost your Salesforce experience with Titan. Book your demo now. Link is in the description.